All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. It's Monday. We live. What's going on, guys? Happy to be back. Trek's already in the building. Three Pony. What's good? Micro Don's Trading. Welcome, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like button for me, guys, on your way in. So, hope you guys had a great weekend. Had a pretty good weekend, pretty productive weekend. Um, Thought about a lot. The replay sims. So Trading Terminal put up a paywall on their replay sim, and I mean, shout out to them, man. They it was free for years, and all you had to do was just sign up with your email, and it was free. So they put up like a $50 a month paywall. Still worth it. You still get an incredible scanner and um, the market replay and all that stuff, but had to move on. What up, Trey? Trend line Treasy. So I think the best daily is Indo. I mean, look at where it's at. Yeah, Indo is fully activated. Fully activated for sure. That's what, a 12 high over here. Yeah, oh boy. Oh boy. There's pre-market high. And also got CDTX over here, which I just don't know how much volume is really going to come in. That's kind of my main concern. The volume. Where's the volume? This thing halt. Not yet. What a rocket. To get to a point where I can play that opening candle would be crazy. Like what Dirk be talking about. I think he plays the second or third, but like to trust this pullback and be like, yeah, I'm taking that right into the open. Like what, bruh? Is it possible to be consistent doing that? Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Yeah, CDTX is looking fire. This looks like a 5-minute ORD play right here. Back from Mississippi. Yeah? How's Mississippi these days, man? Dang, bro. Indo, man. Indo. Doddsville and the Delta. Yo, RBNE heating. I got RBNE on watch too. I like on a normal situation, I would not like to play under these days, but I'm just checking out the trend line on the daily, see what it looks like. But it's popping right now, that's for sure. Then I got my YOLO swing over here, which is I got some action this morning. This is my Webull account. I'm in at like 2.8 or 2.7, I think. So just kind of keeping a fun eye on that, hoping this thing go to like $1 or something. What's up, Leon? Hey, I'm going great, man. Is the audio okay? I got like my AC unit right here next to me because it's hot. And but I'll suffer if the audio is really bad. I think I got the filter. Audio's good. All right, cool. Yeah, how you been, man? How was your weekend, bro? Yeah, that's what's up. Yo, what up, Dirt? I was watching Husa a little bit pre-market, but oh wow, it ended up doing the thing. I actually took it off watch just before the open because of the daily. But I had Indo and Husa kind of in the same basket. Bro, this looks like an ORB of ORBs right here, man. It looks weak though. Okay, now that looks nice. Bruh. Man, I feel like all of these are ready to just jump in. uh, but mistrading, yeah. Me too, man. I was really disappointed. The replay sim in my journal, man, I'm about to start sending some emails because I upgraded to the next tier in my journal subscription so I could have the market replay. And I literally couldn't use it at all this weekend. Bruh, this is it. I knew it, man. We're gonna wait though. We gonna wait. Let's see here. Shoot, really, you just gotta hold this line, and I'm cool. Just another pullback, 5 minute pullback to that line, and we can engage. Um, Look at the volume. Market down to 595, huh? Bruh, for sure, man. I've been thinking about that pre-market when the EMA resets in the pre-market, like getting in here. That would be crazy. Yeah, I think the war is the catalyst or oil, energy. What up, HH? Yeah, I had OP. I had OP up this morning. I just felt like it had a long way to go. Like I needed really over what's this 317 to really like feel like it could go somewhere. But I really like not buying the high of day breakout though. Yeah, for sure. Hmm, interesting. You've been sweating right here after the opening range breakout. That's why I don't never take them. I have been thinking about this entry though. Like when the opening candle closes above the EMA and makes a higher high, and then the second one pulls back and then breaks it. Put the stop under there, entry right there, and roll with it. Yeah, I was just looking at that the SPY over here. That's interesting. It's a trap. But buying that setup is FOMO for sure because I really want to wait for the pullback. But I mean, this was the pullback, and that's just the first entry. I don't know. Man, I want to take this, but it's technically at resistance. Really needed to be testing from the top, not the bottom. So let us wait. The low price. Yeah. Over three though, it could get real fun. But yeah, I mean, you still got this over here. But this is from 2023. Hmm. Hmm. Yo, what up, Brian? Hmm. You watching anything, HH? CDTX has a nice catalyst, but um, volume's kind of light in my opinion.
Oh yeah. Double down, huh? Yo, what up, Knives? Man, I want both of these. Not that one. Both of them pulling back at the same time. Hmm. Wilding. Wilding. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is a nice little ending volume profile right here. Could signal the end of this downtrend. Nah, I'm definitely I mean it would have to be back over this line for sure. The real line was back here actually. I just threw that on top of the high of day. This was the last 5 minute high. So actually looks great. We're looking out though. Yeah, my replay sim wasn't working, so I was just going through my charts, going through my journal. Man, what up, Paul? Not a good pre-market session this morning. uh, it's pretty positive on the 15 there. Yeah, the amount of shares you got to take on one of those, it's daunting. Hmm. 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 15 looks good though. What you talking about? Endo? I do. It's not quite ready. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, who's made 2 cents on OP? Yeah. Wow, Endo got slapped. D. It's the bottom on CDTX right here. We shall see. Hmm. Dang, man. What's happening? Ooh. Man, you better chill out, bro. Better chill out with all that. I'm taking 50 break. Actually, I want to take 47 break. Yeah. Man, just chill right here for another minute.
Order filled.
Feels kind of like a breakout, but it's not higher day breakout. So hopefully we'll ride. Come on, baby. Got some shares sitting at 250. Ooh. Eyes breaking out. CDTX. I think that candle might have been the bottom. Based on that volume profile. Uh-oh. We just got to take out 50, man. Ooh, that looks nice on the one. 15 looks great, too. Just need the break. Just need the break. Break it up, break it up, break it up now. See them 49s printing. Bro, the one looks super saucy. Make you want to add. Oh, there we go. There we go. Mm-hmm. High of day, 270. We got this little spike. Yeah, 270s. We're in at 248. Stop is 31. I think I need more than that, man. Come on, bro. Gotta see if it's gonna hold over 50. Already at 49 again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The violence. Appreciate it, Tilo. Yeah. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. We here every morning hanging out. Oh man. Don't you dare come all the way down here, bro. How dare you run up on my stop like that? Now I'm wishing I risked that extra few pennies to slide it up under there. Instead of trying to keep it tight. It's a good stop though. You in at 256? All right, brown dog, let's go, man. Let's go. We got the 15 on our side for sure. Like we got the pop on the 15. We just gotta hold up, man. I hate that we're back below 250 though. That's what I hate. Really needed to stay above there, and we got slapped. But the higher time frame you go, the better we're looking. So stop might be in the way though. Stop might be in the way. I do wish it was at 227. Now I do, but later I might be happy that I shaved those 4 cents. Yeah, that 5 minute candle nasty for sure. Oh yeah, that's what's up. I wanted to flip over, but it was pretty intense for me over here. Wow. Look at the daily. Where was this? Dang, that's nice. That's real nice. What's up, Red Devil? I don't trust none of these jokers. They all out to get us. Oh, this nice entry right here, man. Can I validate it? Think so. Feel like I need one more high though. We'll be patient. Doesn't look like it's gonna be like a squeezer. So see what that next red candle look like. That's exactly what he's saying, Dirk. Yeah, we here now. I mean, are you talking about on CDTX? Yeah, they are kind of nasty. Damn, that was the entry though. I be feeling kind of soft for not taking these entries, bro. Like, come on, bro. You seen it. You seen it, bro. Why didn't you take it, man? Acting scary, bro. What you doing? Dang, bro. This mug just died. What is this on the one? Straight died. Yeah, that's the scary part. When they start doing this, man, it's like, bro, I'm about to get slapped in the face. Dang, man. Oh, no. Well, there goes that. Yeah, I should have called this the reset and waited. That 250 level was serious, man. Instead of buying on the bottom side, or I guess I bought the break, but dang, did that original stop would have held, huh? That low of this candle. Yeah, it was. I was gonna sell up there. It's gonna look like a really dumb stop out. Yeah, it's gonna look like a really dumb stop out. Because I just should have had it over there. 15 is ready, man. It's feeling like it's some shiesties needed at the front of the congregation. We got a mission for you. Look at the 15 on this, bro. I should have took it on GP on the 15, man. Look at this thing. Yeah, because that made the higher high right here. It made the higher high, triggered the 15. Bro, what do you look at it? It's going. I can tell. It's like waiting for that one more string of confirmation, which I mean, usually like almost 10 times out of 10 saves my butt. But I don't know. I don't think I've, Rocket Lab. You ain't lying, Microdot. Junk now. Should have raised my stop under that candle for real. I got to take OP off, man. It's the same daily situation I keep finding myself in. Yeah, mm. Well, from what I was looking at the one, I was looking at the pop of this high, but not really considering how this. It just seemed like once that high broke, it would be cool. But just trading in this range that I'm always telling myself to stay out of. Yeah, for sure. Nah, I'm not trading on the one. But I'm just, I'm looking at it, paying attention to it, but not taking entries. Man, I wish this would give me a good entry. Yeah, I wasn't supposed to touch OP until over three, until over all that price action over there. Yeah, I looked, so I ain't got no excuse. None. Yeah, I guess you're right there, Leon. There are no excuses. Um, yeah. Mm. I just really like the 15 over here. Um, yeah, I would say watching another stock that I shouldn't have been watching. The setup was cool, but just looking for something, I just it didn't qualify on the daily. It didn't qualify on the daily. Yeah, it's so easy to do that. Like same with this. Shouldn't be watching that. It's so easy to find like some loophole to be like, okay, well that makes it watchable. Ever again, bro. Volume is the only loophole. The 4027 was the thing I wanted to break. And it broke it, and then I waited for the pullback. Lows 418. Mm. Real. So ain't nothing in. Today sucks. uh, since spread, man. Oh, that's what's up. Hmm. Endo look like it's getting ready. Great level. I like that pullback on the 15 too. That's pretty nice. Almost want to take the 15, man. Over 660. But I'll wait for the pullback on the 5. Hopefully she don't run too fast. 660 is that 15-minute trigger though. It made me want to just jump in. Wide stop. That's where everybody is. Endo don't make sense. And IBO turned out to be a nice looking chart. Not a bad daily either. I think I didn't watch it because of this, but it actually traded through already. Yeah, that pre-market level is they played really well. Tesla. Wow. Yeah, Trey. On the 15 and the 5. Nah, 663. That the daily is one of the most important criteria that I have, Knives. Dang, bro. I want this one. This is what I've been waiting for, but it just feels so sketchy. The spreads are just so wide, but it doesn't even matter. Man, if I could get in on the bid, that would be pretty sweet. Like right there. What's the trigger on the 15? Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have the good vibes about that one. Yeah. There goes IBO. Yeah, ain't got nothing coming today, yo. Man. Hey, what's up, George? Yeah, it just doesn't have any volume. That's already gone. Dang, man, it ain't nothing, bro. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, it's just so high up now, though. Thing that went straight up, man. I can't buy that. Shorted. What's up, Jack? Uh, Dang, that's what's up. Halted. Mm-hmm. Smoking. Arg. Tesla does look like it's gonna keep going though. uh, this is whack. Wickety wickety. This that play I be thinking about, man. I like the price over here. Over here, I don't like it so much. uh, man, this is so much. Trading on the one, bro. I'm so happy. It's just way too much trading on the one. Way too much. There's so many places to buy. The two, yeah. Yeah, anything but the one. Right. I ain't got nothing to do with that, George. Yeah, let's not crack open that door, man. All kind of all kind of stuff start coming out in the chat, bro. Investing long term. Y'all don't be seeing what I be seeing. Like, bro, super nice hammer off the trend line. Higher high. This looks like the higher low. You got 5 minutes left. Your EMA sandwich. I saw a filter for a sandwich on a Zenbot scanner. They got a filter for that dirt. You might have to sue them for copyright infringement or something. Cause they definitely rocking the sandwich. Is my strategy to stare at CDTX? Well, my strategy, my idea, the idea that I have in this approach is to not do anything until it's time to do something. So it's not time to do anything. So it would appear that I'm just staring at CDTX, but I actually have a monitor over here with a bunch of charts on it and stuff. So, you know, doing what I can. So many stocks flying. Well, yeah, my strategy is definitely not to just go chasing all the stocks that are flying. I come in pre-market and try to put together a watch list. And sometimes the watch list gives me what I need, and sometimes it doesn't. You know? Sometimes it doesn't. Mm-mm. About 2 weeks. Yeah, me too, man. If I can find the beginning of the 5 minute trend and just relax until the end of the trend, as opposed to trying to find high quality entries over and over, which is very difficult to me. Yeah, I like the 5 minute, man. I like the 5 minute. Oh, it's demo. Dang, I don't think anyone has ever accused me of trading a demo account. This whole year plus I've been streaming. I used to feel like that, microdom, but when I zoom out, bro, a lot of these stocks that go crazy look great on the 5 minute, man. Like, not only do they look great, but you could have literally just raised your stop under the 5 minute lows and walked it the whole way up a lot of times, man. Like the ones that actually trend with a few squeezes mixed in. Uh, nah, I don't have a demo account. Actually, I think I have a demo account. I just don't know how to use it. Yeah, I think this is my demo account. Yeah, this is my demo account. But yeah, no, I just have a broker that gives me a set amount of buying power and they leave it there. It doesn't change every day because of my balance going up and down. It just, this my buying power. Unless I get like, unless my account goes like super low, then they'll be like, all right, bro, you got to chill out for a minute. But yeah, yeah, you definitely don't catch every move. Man, it's just no volume or nothing here. This looks kind of cool right here. This entry right here. If there's one to take, right? Like, why not? The only thing jamming. Well, when you got 20 times leverage, Red Devil, you're not gonna like worry about, you know, you're adjusting your BP constantly because I have way more than than I need, honestly. So, but if you want to check out my broker, links in the description, and if you, yep, it is indeed, my friend. I do not have $25,000 to park in an account so I can day trade. No, I do not. So, the American way is to find a loophole for what you need to do. So here I am. Here I am. Well, let's see. We got 15 minutes till the end of the session. I don't see nothing about to pop. Whatever works. Mm-mm. Yeah. Uh, us people, yeah, man, they're good with us. I mean, I'm in Missouri, USA, so good old America. Mumu. Oh yeah, gonna put 100. Yeah, it ain't, it's not, there's definitely not a day trader for sure. I've definitely accepted that at this point. Um, I think I'm about to take this though. Over 163. Nah. I realize that whenever I find myself in the hole and I want to dig out of it, the best way to get out of it is to find another setup. Right? It's like my best move, like my super move, like I'm losing a fight, right? And I got this like my Karate Kid joint in the back pocket, right? And I'm like, all right, if things get really bad, I'm gonna break out the Karate Kid joint. You know what I mean? So like the Karate Kid joint is my setup. Like like there's no better trade that I can take than the one that I've worked on and researched these last few years, right? But for some reason, when I'm down, it's like, all right, bruh, I'm about to move this out the way and I'm about to go get it in blood. Like I'm about to pull some kind of superpower out that's better than my strategy to get my money to dig myself out the hole. But it's like it's ludicrous. Like there's Pooh Shiesty mode, bro. There's no way Pooh Shiesty is gonna trade me out of my hole. Like maybe on a lucky joint, but it's so impractical. It's illogical. It's stupid. Flying eagle kick. Yeah. Yeah, bro. But like Dirk right now. Dirk I feel Dirk use 10K of my buying power and buy IBO at market right now. Like, yeah, bro, this is what we need to do in order to fix all of this. But then you just destroy yourself, and then you look back and you realize how far away from your strategy you went in order to try to make the day back. It's like, what were you thinking, bro? It's like you playing basketball and your range, like free throw range, is far for you, right? Like your spot is layups and little post shots, but you down 10 points and you like, all right, bro, forget these post ups. I'm going to the 3 point line and I'm gonna make it back. Like you ain't never made a three in your life, bro. What are you doing? You better get back down in the post, bro. What are you doing? Oh my god. This stuff is so wild. Yeah, what's up, Victor? The only reason the pre-market, bro, no stop losses. I think that's the main reason for me is the no stop losses. And I never developed an approach for that. Like the stop loss to me, it was like one of the first like laws of trading that I really attached myself to. Yeah, three pony, just stay in my lane. Um, and so the idea of being without my stop loss, I just like it's like skydiving without a parachute to me. Like it's just no way that I want to be in the market Especially, I mean, yeah, that's the only thing. I feel like there's something else. Is that it? I think that's the only reason. Yeah, stop losses. Yeah, I ain't there, man. I can land on a tree. Yeah, I think I might have a shot on Endo over here. It's definitely getting some love over here. Uh we'll see though. Um it kind of ran already, but I like the daily. I like where it's at on the daily. And it's holding this day up pretty well as support. So I think my line in the sand would be right here, which should get me close to my what HH. Yeah, that's where I'm hoping. That's where I got my line right now. So if we can break over that and retest, then I'm good to go. But we're running out of time here, folks. Glad I didn't take that YOLO trade over here. Halted down again. Yeah, this thing never did diddly squat. This 15 still looks saucy to me though. uh, damn. Yeah, I know, right? VWAP 679. Yeah, got some volume that came in right there. This thing takes out the high and then pulls back and holds. I think we might be able to have a little fun, but it would have to happen in like sky. Wow, nice daily. Looks like it went already. Um, I don't know, man. I would kind of expect it to. If it goes past pre-market, I would see it up to 370. Hmm. Video series and highlights preclinical CB1 antibody data at the American Diabetes Associations. Okay, doing some things. All right, Knives. Thanks for hanging out, man. Hit that like button for me on the way out, please, sir. Yeah, the daily, man. I got you, Knives. Never again, bro. Never again. It's so easy, man. I just don't want to have that as an excuse anymore. Like I don't want to take a trade and be like, ah, but look at the daily. I shouldn't have traded it. Like I just that I don't never want to be able to say that, you know, in a video presentation. uh, but who did they present it in front of? Look at this volume coming in, yo. Just need. It's gonna take a while. It's like IBO. Nice little EMA reset on the one. Back to the little higher day volume area and the EMA. This looks pretty solid. If I follow the time limit window rules, then it's a 1 hour day. If you don't, then who knows what could happen. Yeah, I try not to. I try to just use it in the um in pre-market. Pre-market, I just want to get my that's what's up, Leon. That's fire, bro. I want to do my due diligence pre-market and find my make my watch list, and then I want to commit to that, you know. Yeah. Hmm. Just using his eyes. I'll be putting my scanner up on the screen all the time, man. Get out of here. There it goes, man. Yeah, I thought that looked pretty good, but not quite the confirmation that we would need. Now, that looks kind of fire. Right at the EMA, but it's a lower high. $6.54. Yeah. Guarantee. Oh man. They guarantee. Yeah, this was a great pullback right here to the EMA, right here over the highest volume traded of the day, over pre-market high. It's got a lot of great things going for it, for sure. F the rules today. uh, yeah, just gonna have to hold the L today, man. Just gonna have to hold the L. And oh wait, hold up, hold up. Damn, that looks really nice. Oh, the 15, yo. There it is, right there, bro. Yep, here it comes. uh, the 15, bro. Saucy. Nice. Yeah. Hmm. Long AMD. 131. Yo. Man. Yeah, I like that, Jack. That looks great. That looks great. Stop like what, 130.74 or something like that? Oh. See if that joint hold 131. Oh my gosh. The British lady. Man. Stop loss placement is key. Hold it. Help them out, Bugs. Oh, yeah. Come on, man. You can do it. Yeah, this thing is dead. It has died. All right. Damn. That looks fire too, though. Look at that triangle, yo. It's descending, though. All right. I'm going to hold the L. I'm going to hold the L. Yeah, IBO, man. Back over 160. Oh, man, here it goes. Risk the hundo. Back over 160. Do we have the trigger? Lower high, lower low, high, higher low maybe. The break of that will be the higher high. It looks great on the one.
Order filled.
Here we go. It's definitely better entries. I know, right? Did we even get the high? Yeah, we got the high. Nice. Oh man, man, Dirk. uh, yeah, I don't like that word. That's not a good word. Setup was saucy though. Ugh. Just let it fly. Let it fly, man. Oh, they got some shares at 160, boy. What's up, Ken? Ric Flair on them. uh, 162. 63. Bruh. Not worth it. Yeah, that's for sure. I need a lot more than that. I sure could use it. Ooh, 65. Come on, man. I'm ready to sell, bro. I am a salesman. I'm a sleazy salesman. I'm ready. Yeah, for sure you can. It's like it doesn't want to move an inch. But I think it can explode though. Oh, 170, 175 now. Whoa, we getting up there, man. There's 169. High of day is 75. I need way more than high of day though. My risk is wide AF. Almost that whole 15-minute candle. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Let's go. Let's go. There it is. Oh, you know. There we go, folks. That's positive. I hate it when this happens. No, like what the heck? Yeah, for sure. Nah, I don't. I mean, if I didn't get in the position to sell at 175, I was getting ready. I mean, I thought about selling a quarter, but I mean, bro, we here for the money, man. I definitely agree with selling in principle, but like, bro, my risk is 20 cent. Like, I can't sell at 75, bro. I'm in at 60. I mean, I got the limit up and down right here in my level two. I see it. I saw it coming. It didn't catch me by surprise. If this was the second halt or the halt was like, way up, then yeah. But I'm only up literally. My risk is 20 cent and I'm up 15 right now. I can't sell right now. That's not the name of the game. I set my risk by a dollar sign. I risk the same. I'm risking $100 a trade right now. So my hotkey does the calculation based on my entry price and where I double click to set my stop, and it share sizes for my my preset risk amount. Hey, why didn't they give me the timer? Oh, I'm definitely selling half at two. Yeah, the dot, bro. I was trading with Sterling for the longest, man, and people were just telling me like, bro, go to DOS, go to DOS. And I was like, nope, nope, nope. DOS is ugly. I hate DOS. And now I love it. Now I love it. Man, I don't like that we don't have a timer right here. Wow, I just noticed this right here. Hard to borrow SSR. What's P mean? Yeah, DOS is definitely the best one I've used. Hotkeys are the devil. Yeah, I still need more hotkeys, honestly. I guess I'm cool right now. Honestly, just selling the halves, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Selling half at the resistance levels. So yeah, I'd love to get half off it too. And then what else do we got over here? Three? Maybe 250. Damn, Paul. We're selling at 1.5, man. Ah, dang, yeah, it sucks. I mean, you protected the bag though, you know. Were you down to risk all the where was your entry? Your entry was low, huh? Were you down to risk down to like 130? The fifth look how nice the 15 is though. Like this is beautiful. Right? This is the highest volume high right here. That's why I got that yellow line. We break through on the 15. Nice little low volume two candle pull back to that level. And then bang. You know? That's where a lot of my uh conviction came. 123. Yeah. I know I'd be like, man, why didn't I just put my stop to break even? Bro, I've gotten out of so many trades like that. And I just be like, bruh, if you would have just stuck it under the last low. Oh, snaps. Come on, come on. You can go higher than that. You can go higher than that. Dang, 185 though? Bruh. That's nothing. That looks nasty. It's green though. Dang it, man. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? He said, I'm out. It's over most of the volume traded all day. Pre-market, open volume. It's up there. It just broke out. Stop is in a great spot. Like it has to trade through quite a bit to get to my stop. Although this is small caps and it's a cheap stock, so it wouldn't necessarily take much. But I think we're in a very good position for the squeeze. Come on up there. Go on up there. Ooh wee. One more pop like that. One more pop like that. Halt at 192. Come on, man. Move that up there. I want to see that halt at like 197, yo. That halt limit ain't went up yet. Man, it look like a pullback on the one now. I should have got some off in that, but bruh, I'm trying to get the 90s at least. Hasn't even squeezed yet. What's up, technical? I'm a trend trader, Dirk. I'm on my surfboard right now. You don't get off the wave and then get back in it. Come on. I know the party ain't over yet. I'll level up to 195. I like that pullback on the one to a previous high. Come on, take it up one more time, man. That could be the high on the 15 right there too, though. Downside out is 165. Man, it's still over so much volume though. It just like if it can just hold 175, man. Ooh, we got some support at 177. Man. Ugh. Come on. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I know. I know. Just holding for one more pop, man. Come on. Oh, we ate through 179. Come on. Come on, baby. Halt still sitting at 195 after all this time. Man, I don't like that 15 looking like that. We still got 4 minutes left. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Yeah, I definitely don't want to go down another R. I just don't want to jump in the way of a little spike. Get wicked out. Just gotta play I gotta play the rules now. Yeah, no doubt. I feel it too, man. We just need that pop. Need Ross to come over here and buy 50,000 shares or something. Yeah, I think so too. It'd be scary if it was below, but it's showing all the good signs. Ross is not trading. I know. I'm telling you, man, we could get a third green 15-minute candle after this candle. Yo, what up, the bagger? Appreciate it. Here we go. Here we go. Halt is still 195. Come on, man. Break that high. That high ain't talking about nothing.
Order filled.
All right. Now we can chill. Now we can chill. Stops to break even. Down to minus $23 on the day. And now we can chill. Actually, 67. I think we can. Yeah, we'll back up a little more than that. Higher. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Good looking out, y'all. Man, what's up, George? Appreciate it. I was trying hard to hold for two, but dang, I didn't even get the look like I got like 190, 189 on that. Wow. So I sold half at 1R. All right, bet. Bro, I'm hot. Not on short sale restrictions. I can't have I can't put, should probably add. I can't put my stop loss and the limit order in at the same time if it's SSR, which is the stupidest thing. I should have held for that $2, man. No, I did the right thing. I did the right thing. Cause now I'm chilling. I don't know how to set it up. I know how to do it with my hotkey, but like on the fly to just throw out a bracket order, no, I don't know how. That's probably a little shameful, but I just don't. I tried to when Sterling wouldn't do it. Like they literally said that feature's not available through us on Sterling. And when I got to DOS, I guess I was just used to trading without it and just never really looked into it. Yeah, you right. Yeah, my entry key used to put out a bracket order, a stop loss, and a target at 2R order. But appreciate it, technical. Um, but man, what we doing right here? What's this 15-minute low? 67. I think I want to sit under that 15-minute low. I'm gonna just go 66, and that way I won't feel like I'm violating my stop loss. Uh, man, appreciate it, Leon. All right, bro. I think we got the Green Day pretty much locked. Maybe. I do kind of 175 is definitely the line in the sand though. What's the one looking like? Yeah, that's previous high day too. Yeah. I'll keep it at 172. Come on, man. Nah, you right though, Trex. No excuse to enter red. We cool though. Like this is what I feel like though. Like there's no way I should take two trades in the day and be red on both. Like just to max loss like that. Like even if the first trade is bad, like I should be able to gather myself and take a better trade. So like all these days where I'm like max loss and it's just it shouldn't happen. It shouldn't happen. Yeah. Definitely was expecting a squeeze by now, but big wall at 195. Alt level up to 206 now. Yeesh. I'm gonna be mad at myself. I gotta go below this candle, yo. 67. Oh, damn. Get out. Get out. Yo. What's happening? Oh, snap. Oh, my gosh. How did I fail that bad? How did I fail that bad? I should have been ready from the last time this happened to me with a button. With a button. Okay, we got to fix this right now. Why does this not get me out? That's why. That's why. All right, so now my sell position button will get me out at market. What does my panic button do? I think it's just panic. Yeah, it just sells everything. I should have hit that. Should have hit the panic button. Well, 39.54 is what we waiting on now. Honestly, the last halt down wasn't really bad at all. That one looks kind of nasty, though. I know, man. I was moving my stop back and forth below the 15-minute low, which is like bare minimum, and then 175, which is like an obvious level of support. So my stop still would not have gotten me out of this halt. I mean, I could have fumbled through all of this, but and I actually have my hotkey, a hotkey for a stop order, but I didn't think about that. I probably could have just clicked in the price action and sent a stop order. Yeah, I do mark it in, or do I mark it in? I think I do get in like at ask -1 or something. Look at Endo finally going. All right, one more minute. No worries, y'all. We're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. Low 160. I'm gonna, as soon as it opens, I'm throwing my stop in, and we'll just see what happens. Hmm. Hmm. I got you. All right, here we go.
Got like 30 seconds left.
Got my stop price loaded up. Just gonna slap the hotkey as soon as price opens. And maybe it'll hold that 15-minute low and bounce up. You know, you never know. Yeah, I hope they do too, Dirk. I'm glad I took profit. I'm glad I took profit. Mm. Look at that. Holding up, maybe. I'm not out. I'm out now.
Order filled.
Out now. Probably by the penny. uh, $5 foot long. They still got them at $5. Yo, 15-minute trigger. Get the meals. USO go green. Wheels falling off now. Well, y'all are right. I mean, I would be pretty sad if I lost another R on this. But this is clearly the one. Everybody in the chat was trading and talking about it, right? Volume was off the charts, 297 million. It is over. It had broken and held every level so far. Like broke pre-market, held it up to the next level. Broke high of day, came back and held it. They were resetting the EMA. You know, the 15 was gorgeous. The 1 was nice. Like, bruh. Yeah, I should have stopped it all out up here when I saw if it wasn't gonna hold that high, just let it take it all on out of there. Take it on out of there. Endo just need a little red pullback, man. Man. I think for sure the reversal trades, like kind of like this one, Bobby Schmurder. I know, but it looks so good. There's a part of me that was thinking this weekend, like,
for sure you got to have your perfect setup. And the rules are super important. But there's those times where there's a freaking good trade available, man, and you see it. I mean, yeah, I don't know. You're right. You're right. I mean, bro, this ain't gonna have no chill, no pullback. Yeah, I'm okay with giving back some though, because my goal is to I get a lot of, bigger moves. So I sell partials. I sold half. Where I sold half at, I realized, what was it, like $70? So I pretty much sold half right at 140. I synced it. I mean, it was definitely a good trade, George. I don't think anybody can say it wasn't a good trade from the trade itself. Like, you know, I understand the criticism of the rules for sure, but the trade was fire. Yeah, I mean, that's what I mean, bro. Like, it's like, am I really in the business of passing up that kind of stuff? You know? But the problem is if your accuracy on finding that kind of stuff is not high, then it's probably not worth taking. Yeah, it's kind of my fault, man. I should have had yeah, for sure. Never get caught in a halt down. I need to this is my second one, and like my first one was last week. So I'm but I fixed it now. I got my sell position button for the halt, and I will definitely use that next time. Yeah, I'm so happy I sold half. I was anticipating the halt, and I know I wanted to sell before that second halt. And so when I saw it get close to 195, I just hit the sell button. We got the new high. I'm just waiting on a pullback back to 655, man. It's super strong now, though. Bruh, IBO again. Yo. Back over 175 with a hold. Yeah, appreciate it, Dirk. That's what I mean, EMA is kind of where that's my hunting ground. And the mostly I mess up when I start taking entries that are far away from it. But this is my attack zone when it comes into the EMA. That's my attack zone. But sometimes I don't get a setup here and I wait for the next pullback
but it's already extended, you know. Back in IBO, yeah, I like it. I like it right there. It still hasn't given me any confirmation on any time frame yet, though. I mean, the 5 looks cool, but as far as confirmation goes, still downtrending on the 1. Bruh, Indo is all gas, no brakes, bruh. Chill out. Just pull back 5 minutes. It's almost lunchtime. IBO looks saucy. Yeah, it's got to be on top of my line, man. I'm minding the line is everything. Oh, my little swing is working. Get back up there. This thing is so garbage. I can't believe it. Tesla coming in. Yeah, I feel like that's brave buying under 175. Brave indeed. But the break now, that looks kind of cool. It's this high, 74. Yeah, I need a break over 74. Come back down. Let's go, IBO. Yeah, this hella at resistance. 42.75, and then we got 75 to $2. Ooh. Yeah, it's looking nice, man. Back in blood. I just need I need a little more than that though. This a lower high right here. So oh, we got 75. There she goes. Yeah, that 5-minute joint's kind of clean. Keep waiting. 30. Yeah, that 5-minute was nice. Back over all that volume. I just want a little bit of confirmation though. At least on the 1. Yep, Endo just gone, bro. Endo, like, I gave you a shot down here, you ain't want it. All right. I don't think I want to mess with this one again. Like, how much more could it really go? What's the 60 talking about? Like, just broke that high right there, though. Hmm. Okay, now we got the pullback on the 1, so see if that Joker wants to hold 175 or not. This actually looks like the run right here.
Order filled.
Mm.
Should have waited for the red, bro.
CDT. Oh, you got in CDTX. Yeah, the daily was so good on it, man. It just the volume didn't want to come in during my time, bro. I done messed up. Maybe. Oh, there's 167. Yeah, that's what I should have waited on. The retest of my level. Wouldn't have had to sit through any of this. Probably would have walked away because it was 12 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was really bad. That was really bad.
Order filled.
Well, at least they got me out before the halt finished. Golly. I didn't cancel the order. It took it out. It took it out and just floated in the system for a while. I wasn't listening to Dirk at all, actually. I didn't even know he was still trading that thing. Nah, I just jumped the gun on it. Yeah. Is it 40? I was -5. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah. Bruh, look at Endo, man. I would have been waiting for the rest of my life for a pullback, bro. Daggone, man. I know, bro. Indo went crazy. Yeah, man. Thanks for moderating, Micro Don. I'm over here tunnel vision. I appreciate it, Dirk. Hmm. I mean, break even would be great for sure. I'm not. I don't think I have that problem anymore though, Trey. Like as far as getting in a trade and not selling because I'm trying to make back my loss. Yeah, I hear you, Dirk. What you getting at? Yeah, that was my first trade, George. All right, Dirk, I'll holler at you, man. I'll look for your email, bro. Uncle Paul, you ruthless. Yeah, I don't know. The volume is still pretty solid. I don't know. I don't know who to blame. Yeah, I mean, I try to get in as close to the EMA as possible for that reason, Dirk. And I really just want to leave off those entries that I take that are extended from it, like this one right here. That looks good. That one's kind of questionable. The volume per candle is just amazing still, but it's so thick now. It's a nice little consolidation though. 82 is the number to me. And if it breaks this low, though, we're going to call it. But if I get 82, we're going to give her one more swing. Now, it really likes to dip before the pop, though. But if it breaks this low, for sure, it's finished. Endo pulling back. That might be the one to jump on. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Way extended, but man, that high day right there. Look at that. I know, right? Yeah. Dag nabbit, man. Nasty on the 15. Listen, rabbit hole jib. I know. I just want this thing to fail and then I can just walk away. It's like when whichever one of these gets broken first, either these lows or these highs. What's this? 69, 70, 70. Lunchtime paper plate. I'm drinking water for lunch. All right. I hear you, Uncle Paul. Y'all grown men. I'll let y'all manage it. NIBO. I like that volume pop right there on the one. Just looking for some follow through. I really want to jump over on Endo over there. At 12:21, I don't know. I would assume they'd be chilling. But I don't think I'd want to take a long lunch if I was working on Wall Street. So Man, it's just these wicks though right here, Trey. Wicks are nasty. That one is set though. That's a beautiful bow. That's beautiful entry on the one. Super nice risk to reward for sure. Okay. If it break 170, man, that's a wrap. It's a wrap. I'll check them out, Trey. Definitely need a little more consideration for the opposing team for sure. To be watching some tape of the short sellers. Oh, that's what's up, Ben. All right, she's done. She's cooked. It is over. If I was able to make an excuse for this trade on IBIO, which was only 5 minutes after the my limit, which we kind of made a concession for, Trey. Definitely had no business getting back in up here. So there's that. Yeah, it did for sure. I just wish I waited for the setup again. You know, if this was my line in the sand, then I'm wait for it to trade up and pull back. So I would have been waiting for this entry, which would have never triggered, and then I wouldn't have taken that second trade. But like buying after two green candles, hella violation. Hella violation. Hella violation. I need the red candle, man. Need the red candle. Um yeah, I definitely should have walked, man. Definitely should have walked. Hmm. All right, man. We can't have any more of these learning lesson days. tomorrow, tomorrow we got to. I might have to come in with the suit and tie tomorrow or something, because we got to be all the way locked. Um, yeah, I mean, really just waiting for the setup, man. The line in the sand is pretty righteous. It's pretty righteous. Yeah. All right, well, let me get out of here, man. Give my review and sniper game tomorrow for a show. For sure. It's definitely going down. Y'all be easy though, man. just pay more for your internship course. Yeah, that's definitely how I look at the losses, man. Just paying tuition. But I feel like I've graduated already, so I really don't need to be donating back to the university at this point. But, you know, it's good practice, I guess. All right, y'all. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And I will check y'all tomorrow. Peace.